Let's solve some more problems on definite integral. The first one, we have to find integral of 2x plus 7 into x plus 2 with respect to x from 2 to 3. So what is given? We have to find integral of 2x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 2 with respect to x from 2 to 3. Okay. Let's first simplify this, then find integral of that and then substitute the interval. Okay. First thing what we have to do is simplify this. Let me simplify this first. What do we have? We have 2x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay. So multiply this 2x with x plus 2 plus 7 with x plus 2. So 2x into x is 2x square plus 2x into 2 4x plus 7 into x plus 7 into 2. So we can write this as 2x square, 7 plus 4, 11x plus 14. So multiplication of these two or product of these two is nothing but 2x square plus 11x plus 14. So we can write this as 2x square plus 11x plus 14 with respect to x from 2 to 3. So now we can find integral of this. So 2 is a constant. We have to find integral of x square with respect to x plus 11 is a constant. We have to find integral of x plus 14 is a constant, integral of 1. 1 we can write this as x raised to power 0 from 2 to 3, 2 to 3 and 2 to 3. So 2 as it is, integral of x square, x cube by 3 from 2 to 3 plus 11 is a constant, integral of x, x square by 2 from 2 to 3 plus 14, integral of x raised to power 0 is x from 2 to 3. Now substitute 2 by 3 keeping as it is, instead of x cube we have to substitute 3 and 2. So this can be written as 3 cube minus 2 cube plus 11 by 2, this 11 by 2. Now instead of x square, 3 square minus 2 square plus 14, instead of x, 3 minus 2. Now simplify this. 2 by 3 as it is, 3 cube is 27 minus 2 cube is 8 plus 11 by 2, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 plus 14, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 by 3, 27 minus 8 is 19 plus 11 by 2, 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 14. 19 into 2, 38 by 3 plus 55 by 2 plus 14. Again we can take LCM. We can multiply this 38 by 2, multiply and divide, plus 55 by 3 plus 14 by 6. 38 into 2, 76 by 6 plus 55 into 3, 165 by 6, 14 into 6, 84 by 6. So we can write this as 76 plus 165 plus 84 divided by 6, which is equals to 325 by 6. So integral of this function is nothing but 325 by 6. Second question, it is similar to first one. So we have to find integral of x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 with respect to x from 2 to 3. What we will do, we will just simplify any of these two bracket first and the resultant bracket, then multiply with the third bracket. So let's first find x plus 1 into x plus 2 and then resultant bracket of this 2, then we'll multiply it with x plus 3. So first this x into x, x square plus x into 2, 2x, 1 into x, x plus 1 into 2 is 2, multiply by x plus 3. So what we have here is x square plus 3x plus 2 multiply by x plus 3. Now multiply this resultant bracket with the third bracket. X square into x, x cube, 3x, okay, x square into 3, 3x square, plus 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into 3, 9x, plus 2x and 2 into 3 is 6. Again we can write this as x cube, 3x square plus 3x square, 6x square, 9x plus 2x, 11x plus 6. So multiplication of these three brackets is nothing but x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 16. So instead of this we can replace it by this function. So let's replace this. What is your function now? X cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. And we have to integrate this with respect to x. So integral of x cube, x raised to power 4 by 4 plus 6 is a constant, integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus 11 is a constant, integral of x is x square by 2 plus 6 is a constant, integral of 6 is 6x, and the interval is given in 2 to 3. So what you can do is in each you can substitute 3 minus 2 or you can substitute in entire function and then subtract with the second one. So let's substitute 3 first. So 3 raised to power 4 by 4 plus we can cancel this. So 2 times 3 cube plus 11, 3 square by 2 plus 6 into 3 minus, now let's substitute 2. 2 raised to power 4 by 4 plus 2 times 2 cube plus 11 times 2 square by 2 plus 6 times 2. Now we just have to simplify this. 3 raised to power 4 is 81 by 4 plus 3 raised to power 3 is 27, 27 into 2 is 54 plus 3 square is 9, 9 into 11, 99 by 2 plus 6 into 3 is 80 minus 2 raised to power 4 by 4 is 16 by 4 plus 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 8 into 2, 16, 2 square is 4, 4 into 11, 44 by 2 plus 12. Now if possible cancel this. So this will be 4, this is going to be 22. Now in this case we have to take LCM. So 81 by 4 keeping as it is, 54 by 4 upon 4 plus 92 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 18 multiplied by 4, 4 minus 16 plus 4 plus 22 plus 12. So this is equals to 54. So 81 plus 54 into 4, 54 into 4 is 216 plus 99 into 2 it is 198 plus 18 into 4, 18 multiplied by 4 that is 72 minus this is by 4 and we have here 54. So here also I am multiplying and dividing by 4. So it will be easy for subtraction. So here we have 81 plus 216 plus 198 plus 70 which is equals to 567 by 4 minus 54 by 4. 54 multiplied by 4, which is 216 by 4. So we can write this as 567 minus 216 by 4, which is equals to 351 by 4. Okay. Now third question, what is given? If integral of 3x square plus 1 dx, let me copy this. If integral of 3x square plus 1 dx from 1 to a is given as 28, then we have to find the value of a. Okay. So value of integral is given, we have to find the upper integral. So let's solve this first. What is given? Integral of 3x square plus 1 dx is given as 28 from 1 to a. So let's solve this side first. Okay, let's solve LHS first. Integral of 3x square plus 1 from 1 to a. Now in 3 is a constant. Integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus integral of 1 is x, and this is from 1 to a, right? This 3 will get cancelled. Now suppose I am substituting this intervals here. This can be written as a cube plus a minus, now substitute 1 plus 1, right? So we can write this as a cube plus a minus 2. And what is the right hand side given? It is given as 28. So let me mark this as 1. So from 1 we know that this is equals to 28. So this will also be equals to 28. We can write this as a cube plus a minus 2 is 28. So I am taking this to other side. So we can write this as a cube plus a equals to 28 plus 2. If I am taking a common from here, what will be remaining? A square plus 1, which is equals to 30. Okay. So using this, we have to find value of a. So now we can again write this as a square plus 1. Suppose I am factorizing this 30. Let me write it here, factorizing this 30. So what we can take is 3 tens are, then what I can take is 5 twos are, and 2. So we can write this as 3 into 5 into 2. Suppose I am taking a as 3, what will be this a square plus 1? The remaining value 10. If I am substituting a equals to 3, okay, so what will be a square plus 2? 3 square plus 1, which is equals to 10. So from here we can conclude that value of a is 3. So if integral of 3x square plus 1 from 1 to a is 28, then value of a is nothing but 3. Now let's check this. Okay, let's check value of integral 3x square plus 1 from 1 to 3. We know the integral of this x cube by 3 plus x. This 3 will get cancelled. So what we have is x cube plus x. Now what is the interval? 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Now first substitute 3. So this will be 3 cube plus 3 minus 1 cube plus 1. So 3 cube is 27 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. 27 plus 3 is 30 minus 2 is 28. So this is what we are getting. So value of a is nothing but 3. Now this fourth question. If integral of 2x square plus 5x plus c with respect to x over the interval 1 to 2 is given as 16, we have to find value of c. Okay. So what we will do is first integrate this, substitute these values and try to find value of this c. So integral of 2x square plus 5x plus c with respect to x over the interval 1, 2. So 2 is a constant. Integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus phi is a constant. Integral of x is x square by 2 plus c is a constant. So integral of 1 is x for the interval 1 to 2, and this is given as 16. This value, this integral is given as 16. Now let's substitute this 2 first. 2 into 2 cube by 3 plus 5 into 2 square by 2 plus 6 times 2 minus, now substitute this lower interval 1, 2 into 1 cube is 1 by 3 plus 5, 1 square is 1 by 2 and c times 1, and this is equals to 16. Now 2 cube is 8 by 3 plus 5 into 4 by 2 plus 2 times c minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 2 plus c, which is equals to 16. Let's simplify this. 2 into 8, 16 by 3, this is 20 by 2 plus 2 times c minus 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 2 minus c, which is equals to 16. We can subtract the 16 by 3 from minus 2 by 3. So 16 minus 2 by 3 plus 20 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So 20 minus 5 by 2 plus 2c minus c is c, which is given as 16. So 16 minus 2 is 14 by 3 plus 20 minus 5, 15 by 2 plus c, which is equals to 16. Let's take LCM of this. 14 into 2, 28 plus 15 into 3, 45 by 6 plus c equals to 16, right? So I'll take an LCM here. Multiply this by 2, divide by 2, multiply this by 3, divide by 3. Okay. So 28 plus 45, 73 by 6 plus c, which is equals to 60. Now we can write c as 16 minus 73 by 6. So c equals to, again I am multiplying this by 6, so you can write this as 16 into 6 by 1 into 6 minus 73 by 6. 16 into 6 is 96 minus 73 by 6, which is equals to 23 by 6. So value of c is 23 by 6.